Welcome back, you guys. I have another wig for you, another pixie cut wig, very affordable as well as the previous one that I showed you. It only comes with a wig cap, and it's black. Good, but I already have one on, so I'll just keep mine on. This one is kind of similar to the other one, but very different in a way. This one doesn't have curls all the way, all around. The back is straight. This is what it looks like. So let's try it on. Like I said, it looks similar to the other one, but it's really not the same. This one is straight in the back. I think it looks cute. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of it too. Guys, I ended up not cutting anything because I love how it looks like. I feel like I don't have this one. I don't have to do nothing. I don't have to cut. I don't have to shape. It's just, it fits my head perfectly. My head is not small and it's not too big, so I would say I'm around medium size. But even if you have a big head, I'm sure this one will fit you, just like it will fit a regular small head as well. But the curls are pretty, they're laid. I don't need to do anything to this wig. And this one was actually more affordable. I think this was 20 bucks too than the other one. This is the back. Gorgeous. Yeah, this didn't, I'm surprised this did not even took me 2 minutes to put on. That's how easy it is. If you need something quick, I would recommend getting this pixie cut wig if you love short hair, of course. But yeah, pretty.